Now just come to Takaful models. In conventional insurance, we have only one model: shareholders and policy holders. Policy holders transfer their risk to shareholders, and shareholders are managing the company, running the business. While in Takaful, we have a lot of models, but only just I will discuss, or I will give you only just 4 models, and these 4 models are only in GCC countries. We have other models also, but we have to focus here on GCC. If the Takaful model is based on Wakala, this is agency model. If Takaful model is based on Tabarru', this is a donation model. If Takaful is based on Mudaraba, this is profit sharing model. If Takaful is based on At-Ta'awuniya, this cooperative model. In GCC we have these 4 types of Takaful. While if you go to Pakistan, in Pakistan Takaful companies are based on Waqf. In Malaysia there are other structures. If you go to Saudi Arabia, in Saudi Arabia At-Ta'awuniya, the last one, cooperative models, and the donation model, Tabarru' model are there. In Sudan also different model, but only just will focus on this. And out of these 4, just will discuss only Wakala and Mudaraba. Wakala model and Mudaraba, because here in UAE, taqriban almost all companies, Takaful companies, are based on Wakala and Mudaraba model. Okay, here you have to learn only these 2 words, Wakala and Mudaraba. What is the first word? Wakala. What is the word? Wakala. And the other word? You people are still sleeping. What is the first word? Wakala. And the other one? Mudaraba. Okay, so we have to remember these 2 words. What is Wakala? In English, the simple word is agency. When you appointing someone as agent and he is working on behalf of you. What is Mudaraba? Mudaraba is profit sharing model. When you provide money or fund to someone and he will do the business, he called fund manager and you will be the fund provider. This is called Mudaraba. So we will focus only on Wakala and Mudaraba model. These 2 words you will remember, Wakala and Mudaraba. Okay. How Dar Takaful works. Now we'll come to our own company. And this is not only specific structure for Dar Takaful. All Takaful companies have the same structure. Okay, in this structure the figures are only just example. You got my point? The figure are just example. So how Dar Takaful works? First of all, as you know that when we need or wish to open a company, what is the process and what is the procedure? First of all, some people are coming together and they are saying that why not to open a company, why not to start another business. These people called shareholders. These people called shareholders. Then they discuss and finally they are coming to the legal department and legal department preparing. The first thing is article of association. An-Nizam al-Asasi li-Sharika. Article of association is the basic structure or the legal documents of a company. In article of association, shareholders, their shares and their duties and the departments and the packages and the rules and the regulation, all details are there. So article of association is the legal documents of a company. First of all, they are preparing article of association. Then they are getting license from central bank, from the government departments, opening office, and then finally they are announcing and they start business. To start business, shareholder, first of all, they are appointing board of directors. They are appointing board of directors. Board of directors from shareholders. And it depends on the share portion. For example, somebody is paying more capital, so he will be like chairman of board of directors, and somebody is less, or somebody has expertise. As shareholder looks any good, so they are appointing some people as board of directors. Board of directors is the board. They will run and they will introduce some new product and they will provide the fund, and they are responsible for all company activities. Then board of director coming to the third stage, executive office. Executive office means to appoint CEO or managing director or the head of this company or the chairman of this company. With different companies, different terminologies or different posts they are creating. After executive, then HR and executive, they are coming together, they are appointing head of departments, this department. So slowly is going, and then the company run their business and they start their offices or branches or something. This is on one side. This portion is common between conventional insurance companies and Takaful companies. Sah? Is clear? Okay. Now in Takaful, shareholders are appointing one other authority, which is Fatwa and Shari'ah Supervisory Board. F&SSB means Fatwa, Hayatil Fatwa was Shari'ah, Fatwa and Shari'ah Supervisory Board. You can write in a simple word Shari'ah Board. Shari'ah Board, okay? Shari'ah Board, minimum members are 3, maximum as per need of the company, maybe 5, maybe 7, maybe more. It is depends on each company and each country. Fatwa and Sharia Supervisory Board members are people, they are expert of Sharia Islamic law. They are expert in Fiqhul Muamalat, Islamic Sharia law. They are expert of the country law. They are expert from the business perspective of the company. Maybe one person is expert from the legal or the system or the industry expert, but it is compulsory that 2 people will be Sharia scholars. 2 people will be Sharia scholar, Sharia expert. These 3 members are not board of directors. These 3 people are not shareholders. These 3 people has nothing with this company. These 3 people are not the employees of this company. These 3 people has no relation with the company. That's all totally independent and different people. Totally from outside. You are with me or sleeping? These people, yani Shari'ah Board, are totally out of the box. Okay, they are not shareholder, they are not board of director, they are not employees, they are not taking salaries, they are not on company visa, nothing. Totally from outside. But shareholder are saying, please come guide me. Because it is impossible that all shareholder or all people or all board of director will be expert in Sharia. Sharia experts are, we say ulama or mufti, Sharia scholars, they are limited people. So everybody cannot go to be expert in Islamic Sharia law. So they are saying, please come, guide me. And in Article of Association it is written that we are bound to follow the rules, regulation or the guidance given by the Shari'ah Board. It is in the basis, it is in the foundation of the company. it is mentioned in Article of Association that we will follow what the Shari'ah Board will say. So the Shari'ah Board is a supreme power, is a supreme committee, and this Shari'ah Board is must compulsory for all Takaful companies and for all Islamic banks. You got my point? And this is the reality of Islamic banks, this is the reality of Takaful companies, that we are inviting some people from outside. Please come, give me the system. Please come guide me. Please come audit me. Please tell me what is wrong. I will follow your instruction. So we are very transparent. We are very open. We are not closing our books. Shari'ah Board or Sharia people are not our external auditors. But they have the authority. Anytime they can come and they can audit us. They can ask, they can check. You got my point? And the CEO or board of directors or shareholder are bound to follow the instruction given by the Shari'ah Board. In Takaful, we have our Shari'ah Board, and we have one from Bahrain, one from UAE local, one from Malaysia. Two are PhD doctors, and one is not a PhD doctor, but he is a great scholar from Bahrain. He is very famous, Sheikh Isam Ishaq and Sheikh Muhammad Abdul Rahim Sultan al-Ulama and Dr. Akram Laldeen. So we have two PhD doctor in Sharia, in Islamic law, and one is not a PhD doctor, but he is Sharia scholar. Okay, then Shari'ah Board appointing Sharia department with the coordination or collaboration of executive office. And appointing of Sharia department is through board of directors. Sharia department has three responsibilities: to review all the documents and to make it as per the Sharia requirements, and to deliver trainings, and to tell the employees that how you will process this product or how you will do this product. And the third one is end of the year, they have to do audit. In Islamic or conventional, the other difference is of audit. In conventional, we have only one audit, which called in external auditors report. But in Islamic, we have two audits, one from external auditors, one from Sharia auditors. Sharia auditor only just checking all the year activities, all the money coming and going out. If there is anything haram, then Takaful cannot use this money, cannot show this money as a profit. Islamic banks cannot take this money as a profit. This money will go to charity account, and inshallah charity account is coming in next slides. Sharia department in operationally only just, for example, sick leave, annual leave and attendance, all these things reporting to executive, and in all other activities our reporting line is to Sharia Board. In Takaful companies, Sharia Board and Sharia department. See, this is the difference between conventional and Takaful companies. Is it clear? In conventional insurance, there is no Sharia Board. In conventional insurance, there is no Sharia department. While in each and every Takaful company, there should be, there must be, and there is Sharia Board and Sharia department. It's clear? Is this the main difference or not? Takaful and insurance company. Is this the main difference or not? Okay.